Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. This is from Emma Campbell, and she's asking, how can I apply Pinterest to my network marketing business? Still confused on what to create content on, and then keep the curiosity and convert them to team members. Ooh, this is such a good question because I used Pinterest to sponsor. I've sponsored 300 people in my network marketing business. I'm not still sponsoring people. That business is kind of generating income on autopilot, which is really cool. Network marketing is awesome for passive income, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity. But to generate new team members and to build my business, what I did was I stayed very consistent on creating epic content that I knew would help my ideal client. And so that was around keto and intermittent fasting. So I just created content and I used Pinterest and my blog to build my email list. So I would have something available for free on my blog, like a keto meal plan, a keto challenge, keto grocery list, whatever that was congruent with what people were reading on my blog, to build my email list. And then in those emails, I was able to build the relationship with my audience and invite them to join my Facebook community, where I was adding value, maybe running challenges, and then I was able to sell the products that I was representing in my network marketing company. And from there, I was able to help them get a really awesome transformation in their health and fitness, fall in love with the products, and ask them if they wanted to help pay it forward and become a member of our team. So it was kind of this big, like a circle of, they came in through Pinterest and my blog, joined my email list, automatically requested to join my Facebook community through those emails that I had set up. I added massive value through doing challenges, Facebook Lives, got them to become a customer on the product, fall in love with the products, and become a distributor on the team. So that's how I did it. I hope you found that helpful. If you want more tips to use Pinterest to build your business, grab my free Pinterest cheat sheet. Just go to pinwithrachel.com, and I'll see you later.